Kunin na nila yung package ko. Wala siyang kasama. Isa lang siya, guys. Kaya na yun. Package. Why only one?
No, already have one vacation.
Oh,
December for Christmas.
Filipino. Contact.
They have also Filipino. We already the vacation.
Yung isa. Tunod yung isa. This one is smaller than this one.
Same, but
No, the tall.
same large carton.
Large.
Your name?
Annalyn. This one for I make two address. This is for Miguel. Miguel Pawig.
Really?
Where's the name? Isabella. This one. This one for Miguel and this one for Letty. This one for Letty. Okay, don't make it mistake. Okay.
No. Check the
Address. Yeah. This one for Letty.
right.
Yeah, Leticia. But why no Leticia Kumigad? Why Leticia only?
It's okay,
They put no problem. Leticia only. This one Pawig Miguel. This one Leticia. It must be Leticia Kumigad Leticia. Maybe
Yeah, the same.
huh?
Same, just
How much? How much large?
This one. The same 21 kg.
21 kg?
You want the
Huh?
insurance?
No,
No need insurance. 19 kg. This 19 kg.
19?
Yeah.
Before they say for me 18. Okay, no problem.
Okay. You check
Two,
others.
2 KD insurance?
Yeah. No need insurance? Need insurance? Okay.
Before I send no insurance.
No insurance. Okay. You know the before one the truck the charge.
No charge
You know
before.
this without charge now. You want this 1 kg and this 1 kg for balut tape, old tape.
All
Same
tape?
weight, yeah. 2 kg. This one and this one 2 kg.
2 KD, too much expensive. If
Too
I
much
buy
you know?
tape,
You buy tape?
maybe. But can you put fragile? Can you put fragile?
Yeah,
This one and this one.
no problem. You want balut tape or no? No need, it's okay, no problem. You know, check, see, I'm coming like.
Yeah.
You want put?
Okay, yala put. My God. Next time I will wrap all.
How much the estimated value?
I say 150 KD. This
This
one.
one?
Yeah.
This one?
Hmm?
This one?
This one 100.
Third one?
Well,
And one more here. One more here. Same. Okay, I will do that.
mm. Thank you so much. Bye bye, Tarpon.